think it all depends on how we work together, how we collaborate.
We talked about the rising opportunities in the artificial intelligence space.
Using demo units is one of the key success factors.
Well, I think, the hurdle is about agreeing on the opportunity available in the market. I think once we crossed that, I think the rest was easy.
Thanks for joining us today, where we have the pleasure of speaking with Anand Chakravarti, Vice President of TD SYNNEX APJ, on our partnership with HPE. Our collaboration is one of the largest in the industry, allowing our joint products and services to be distributed across major partners and customers globally. We have a long history across our compute, data services, high-performance compute, AI, and networking business. And today's core topic is centered around our partnership in data services, focusing on driving the HPE Alletra MP portfolio that has a distinctive place to play with SMB customers and partners in this segment. TD SYNNEX is an early adopter of the Alletra MP B10000 demo program in APJ. We'd love to learn more about how this, as well as other initiatives, have led to our success in this space.
Oh, thanks, Michael. Definitely. As you know, HPE is a very strategic vendor for us, and we always keep looking for something fresh, something new with HPE as far as a business implementation goes. But with regard to Alletra, it gives a cloud-like environment, which supports some of the AI workloads that we see in the market today. And we thought that we should take the first initiative to really invest in demo units in a couple of countries that we are working in the APJ region. And that's how the decision process of investing in demo units came up.
Can you share any partner success stories or key use cases from the countries where the demo units have been deployed?
Well, I would say that it's too early to really talk about use cases, but our aim was to really sort of bring it to the mid-market. And I think there's been a lot of enthusiasm in the mid-market segment itself. And we see a lot of partners coming forward and trying this out. I think that as we move forward, we probably will be able to see which use cases are getting more popular amongst the mid-market customers, in fact. So it's a question of time, but I would say that at this point of time, from the segment perspective, it is mid-market.
Yeah, makes sense. What differences have you observed in how storage solutions like the HPE Alletra Storage MP B10000 are utilized?
I think from the workload perspective, we see that there's a good uptake in the partner and customer place in terms of interest in data management as well as artificial intelligence. I think these are the areas where we see largest interest from the partners segment who are addressing the customer requirements in the market. In fact, that's the key difference that we see when it comes to Alletra and usage from the demo boxes that we have in these three markets.
How are you helping your channel partners, the resellers? Are there particular resources or events that have been especially effective?
Absolutely, Michael. And as you know that we have a very strong team of solution architects who engage enabling partners with training and helping them with using the demo units and having hands-on experience. We also, in fact, couple it with usage of our COE facility, which is both regional as well as local. And in this fashion, we are able to attract more and more partners to come and get trained, enabled, and then present to the customers, as and when the opportunities come up, in fact. And it's working wonderful in terms of, the customers interested in exploring the opportunity.
Great answer, Anand. Thank you. What additional resources or support would help accelerate the success of the demo program and further drive adoption of the Alletra MP B10000?
What we need from HPE is to support or use marketing resources to really sort of popularize this in the market, make sure that the traffic of partners' interest grows, and probably increase the number of demo units if required in the future. I think that's what is required. But at this time, bringing more traffic, creating interest in the partners, and building programs to really sort of attract more partners to come and get trained and therefore sort of build the pipe is very important. I think that will help us really scale up the numbers.
And then, could you share with me maybe your favorite success story?
Well, I think as a distributor, our success is always sweet spot in success is always about SMB and mid-market. In fact, I think Alletra has really given us a way to find a good storage story for mid-market and SMB. And that's going to be a success story that we can share with our other regions, in fact. And
thanks, Anand. All of this is truly impressive. We would be thrilled to see HPE Alletra Storage MP B10,000 adopted on a global scale across TD SYNNEX's organizations. To conclude, what message would you share with other regions within TD SYNNEX?
I think, as a good practice, we always share good success stories with other regions, and other regions do share their part of success stories with us. And I'm sure once we find great success with this message will definitely go to other regions and create interest in them. I'm sure this will become more popular than what it is today, OD and APJ.
So we covered all past and current partnership successes. And I just want to end off by saying that behind every partnership is truly an alignment of our core values. As we say in HPE, our mission is to advance the way we live and work, and having a distributor like TD SYNNEX that is aligned with that mission of connecting the global IT ecosystem and unlock its potential for all just brings synergies that underpin our success of the years. Thanks, Anand, for this engaging and insightful interview. We look forward to collaborating and strengthening our partnership and our continued success in the future.
I would say thank you for the partnership, Michael, and look forward to more initiatives like that in the future. Thank you very much.
Thank you.